Hi, I'm Jay with Wilcox, and today we're going to be talking about the G70 night vision mounting system. As a system, the G70 is designed with uncompromising tolerances, providing tried and true, combat-tested reliability and durability. As the preferred mount for end users and operators worldwide, the G24 is precision machined here in the USA. When seated in the Wilcox Three-Hole Shroud, this guarantees fitment, eliminating wobble or play no matter the operational environment. As a kit, the G70 features three components: the G24 Breakaway night vision mount, the G34 Three-Hole Shroud, and then the Wilcox standard lanyard. The G24 has two primary positions, stowed and deployed. It also has fore and aft movement, a vertical adjuster, and a tilt knob for customized fit for the end user. An additional discriminating feature of the G24 is the breakaway. This can be enabled or disabled depending on your operational requirement, and it exists to protect the end user as well as the equipment. You can engage or disengage the breakaway by utilizing the tabs on the side of the unit. The next part of the G70 kit is going to be the three-hole shroud. The Wilcox G34 is a lightweight, low-profile three-hole shroud designed for most modern helmets. The mounting kit for the shroud comes with 3 different lengths of screw to accommodate different thicknesses of helmet, whether it be ballistic or non-ballistic. The shroud itself has been machined for a perfect fit with the Wilcox G24. The final piece for the G70 kit is the Wilcox standard lanyard. The lanyard mounts at the top of the three-hole shroud and prevents loss of equipment during operations. The G70 kit is available in tan or black. The G24 is designed to accommodate the commonly used dovetail shoe. The first thing that we're going to do is attach the lanyard to the night vision itself. Once we've done that, we're going to seat the dovetail shoe. When it's seated correctly and locked in, you'll hear an audible click. From there, you're able to make the adjustments for correct eye relief. You have your tilt knob, your vertical adjuster, as well as your fore and aft positioning. The mount can also be stowed or deployed. The G70 kit features the hallmarks of genuine Wilcox products: safety, durability, and reliability. Easy to use and dependable, as a system, the G70 kit comes with a 5-year warranty, giving the end user the best value for their investment. For more information about the G70 and other Wilcox products, click the links below. Like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date about the latest news from Wilcox Industries.